Hello class 4th. In last video what we have done, we have just studied about the basic introduction of Tux Paint. In 3rd class also you have studied about Tux Paint like magic tools, save, new, undo, many tools you have studied about. Now in 4th class you are going to do more magic tools. Magic tools हमने थोड़े से ही किए थे in 3rd class. अब advanced magic tool we are going to study in 4th class. The first tool is what we are going to learn today is mosaic effect. Now what is that mosaic effect? अगर हम mosaic के meaning की बात करें तो mosaic is a combination of small colored pieces of stones or glasses on the canvas or on the drawing area. Mosaic effect tool is used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stones on the canvas, as we can see in the picture. That is our mosaic effect. अगर हम mosaic effect देखेंगे किसी भी drawing पर, हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि that picture has been made with small colored pieces of stones or glasses. Okay. Now how we will use that mosaic effect in our drawing? We will see how. Now to use the mosaic effect, just go to magic tools. In magic tool there are many sub tools. You can see here many sub tools are here. Glass tiles. Here we can see mosaic. Just click on mosaic. A magic wand. This is called magic wand. Now move the magic wand on our drawing area and click. We can hear the funny sounds. The sounds effect is also a positive point in our Tux Paint. It's a very funny sound effects. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see the picture. This is called our mosaic effect. The picture made up of small colored pieces of stone or glasses. This is called mosaic effect. Okay. Now the next effect we are going to study about is our kaleidoscope effect. Yeah. What is kaleidoscope effect? This tool is used to create freehand pattern. The most amazing feature of this tool is that if we move the magic wand from a single point we are moving the magic wand, but it is drawing from all the 4 directions. Okay. Now we will see how it will draw. So to do that thing, what we are going to do, we are just going to select a background with green color, and with yellow color we are going to draw something on our drawing area. Then select that magic tool kaleidoscope effect. We will see how that effect will work out. Okay. For that purpose, just select a new file. I'm going to select a new file with green background color. Okay. Now click on open. Okay. See, I have opened a new file with green background color. Now select that magic tool. Okay. In that magic tool, select that kaleidoscope effect. Yeah, here it is. We can see here this is kaleidoscope effect. I'm going to select it. Yeah. Okay. Just select yellow color. Any color we can choose, but I'm going to select yellow color. I'm going to draw something on my screen with my magic wand. See, I am drawing from one direction, but it is drawing from all the directions. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, it's very amazing. We can make it more beautiful by filling some colors with the option fill. In tools you can see this fill option. Just select this fill option. I'm going to select orange color. I can also select some new color like pink color. Okay. Yeah, beautiful it is. Yeah, this is called kaleidoscope effect. Now the next is we are going to study about emboss effect. Now what is that emboss effect? You have seen the coins. अगर आप coins पर देखोगे, that is also called emboss effect. कुछ भी coins पर लिखा है that is थोड़ा सा उभरा हुआ दिखता है हमें. Raised effect. The emboss effect is raised effect. We can see more picture of emboss effect. See, this is emboss effect. We can see this picture. This picture. We can see the words something raised. This is called emboss effect. Now we will see how this emboss effect will work. Okay, this is also a subtool in magic tool. Just go to magic tool and select emboss effect. It will work out. See how. Go to magic tools. In magic tool I can see many subtools here. Just select emboss effect. See here, emboss effect I have selected. Now with the help of magic wand we can do it. This is called emboss effect. Okay, now the next effect we are going to read about is our lighten effect. Yeah, it is lighten effect. As the name suggests, this tool is used to lighten the color of any object. We can lighten the color of any object. Same, this is a subtool of magic tool only. Select the magic tool, then lighten effect, then move the magic wand on half of your screen and you can see the effect. Okay, again I'm going to open Tux Paint. In Tux Paint, again magic tools. I have to go to lighten tools. Okay, lighten tool is here. Here it is. This is the lighten tool. I'm going to select it out. We can see the effect. It is lightening the color of the screen. Okay, many more tools are there. One tool is fold tool. Okay, we can see here, this is fold tool. Just select it out. Fold means like we fold a paper. Okay, this tool will give some special effect to our drawing. We can see that effect. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, this is called fold effect. Okay, now I can see foam effect. This is called foam effect. Many more effects are there. You can try those effects yourself, as you have done all those effects in 3rd class also. And you can try many more new effects from these subtools. Try those effects and make something magic drawing. Make some magic drawing. Yes, now next is storyboard. Now what is storyboard? Storyboard is a series of pictures that provide a visual layout of event in a story. By looking many pictures, we can visualize the story or we can predict the story, what is the story is, what are the character of the story, what are the dialogues, how the object will look, who will be present in our story. All things we can visualize by seeing picture only. Let us learn how to create the storyboard in Tux Paint. Okay, now our story is the lion and the mouse. If we see in our book, we have created many pictures. The first picture is scene 1. The scene 1 is about the introduction of the story. The story is about the lion and the mouse, and this is the heading, or this is the name of the story we have given in first picture. Now the next picture is scene 2. If we see the scene 2, what we are seeing, this is a scene 2. Sunny day with tree and with grass. Once the lion was sleeping in a forest, and mouse started playing on it. Scene 2 is about this. Now what is scene 3? Scene 3 is lion get disturbed and arose from its sleep. It caught up the mouse angrily and opened jaws to crush it to death. The mouse prayed the lion to leave it off and assured it would help the lion whenever need be. The lion laughed at the mouse and let it off. This is the story about scene 2. Now the scene 4 is, this is a scene 4 and this is a scene 5. I am going to make you learn how to create these scenes in Tux Paint. I am going to create scene 2. Let's see how I will create the scene 2. Okay, I'm just going to create it again. Just open a new file. I'm going to open a new file with white background color. Just open it out. Okay, now you can see the full image. Okay, now select the paint brush from the top. I'm going to select it out, size of the brush and color in scene 2. Okay, now I am going to use a tool, fill tool. I am going to fill green color. Okay, now in the upper part I am going to fill this color. Okay, now we have to draw a tree. For tree also select paintbrush, size and brown color. Fill brown color. Okay, now to make leaves, again I am going to select paintbrush. In paintbrush you can see many options. I'm going to select these flowers of green color to make the tree. Now we can select light green color also to make the tree more beautiful. This is our tree. Now we have to put a sun in the picture. We select stamp. From stamp we can select I have to search the sun. Sun is here. Going to select it out and put it here. Now the lion was sleeping, so I have to select a lion also. Lion and a mouse.
Lion.
Okay, now a mouse also. Mouse is playing on the lion. Here it is.
Mouse.
Okay, the mouse is playing on the lion. This is our scene 2. Now just practice to make other scenes also. Just try it out. It's very interesting application. I'm also enjoying this application very much. I know you will also be enjoying. Just try new things, new tools, and make a magic drawing. Okay, we will see in the we will meet in the next class. For today it's enough. Just practice these tools on your own. Make other scenes also. Okay.